Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to land that perfect pitch or get your story featured in top publications, then listen up. Today we're diving into a game-changing strategy: how to use editorial calendars to supercharge your pitches. By the end of this video, you'll know how to leverage editorial calendars to align your pitches and increase your chances of getting published. And stick around, because I'll share an editor's insider tip at the end that most people overlook. It can make all the difference in sealing the deal. Let's get started. First, align your pitch with the publication's calendar. Editorial calendars are roadmaps used by publications to outline their content themes and focus areas for the year. If you can align your pitch with an upcoming feature or special issue, you're already halfway to success. For example, if a travel magazine has a spring issue dedicated to sustainable travel, then pitch an article with an eco-friendly angle to stand out. You're not just sending a good idea, you're sending the right idea at the right time. It makes sense, right? Editors are more likely to accept pitches that align with their planned content themes. When you use the editorial calendar to your advantage, you show the publication that you've done your homework and that you understand what they're looking for. Next, you'll want to pitch early. Most editorial calendars are planned months in advance, sometimes even a full year ahead. If you want your pitch to have a shot, you need to get in early. Let's say a magazine's December issue will cover holiday traditions. Don't wait until November to send your pitch. You should aim for September or October at the latest. Think of it like this: you wouldn't show up to a party after all the snacks are gone, right? The same thing applies for your pitches. Don't let your pitch arrive after the publication's lineup is already finalized. Give yourself and the editors plenty of lead time to consider your story. And here's an insider tip: almost all publications accept a small number of evergreen pitches. These are articles that will be relevant year-round. So even if your pitch doesn't make the immediate cut, it could be worked into a future issue. Really quick, if you're finding this useful so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Now back to the good stuff. Next, highlight why your pitch fits their upcoming issue. When you're sending your pitch, be explicit about why it's a perfect fit. It's not enough to have a great idea. You also need to connect the dots for the editor. For example, you could say, "I noticed your June issue will focus on outdoor adventures. I have a story idea on the best under-the-radar hiking spots that would fit perfectly with your theme." Don't assume the editor will see the connection. Spell it out. Editors often have dozens of pitches to sift through every week. So the more you tie your idea into what they need to fill their calendar, the better your chances of acceptance. It's a simple step that significantly. Finally, don't forget to follow up in a timely manner. Sending your pitch is the first step. But what if you don't hear back right away? Don't sweat it. Editors are busy. Following up is not only okay, it's expected. Aim to follow up once or twice, spaced about a week or two apart. This ensures there's still time to deliver the article before the publication's deadline. In your follow-up, gently remind the editor why your pitch is perfect for their upcoming issue. Keep it brief and respectful. Remember, persistence is key, but there's a fine line between being persistent and being pushy. Be professional, courteous, and respect their time. Congratulations on making it to the end of the video. Here's that bonus tip for you. When you're pitching, go a step further and reference previous articles they've published. If you can show that your idea complements a previous article, you're giving editors a reason to say yes. Let's look at an example. If they recently covered urban gardening and your pitch is about sustainable landscaping, you could say, "I noticed your April issue focused on urban gardening. This piece would also resonate with readers who are enhancing their urban green spaces." By making connections to previous content, you demonstrate that you're familiar with the publication's voice and audience. So, there you have it. Let's recap what we covered. 1. Align your pitch with the editorial calendar to match their themes. 2. Pitch early to beat the competition and secure a spot in an issue. 3. Highlight why your pitch fits the upcoming issue. Make it easy for editors to say yes. 4. Follow up thoughtfully to keep your pitch top of mind. And don't forget to reference previous content to show you know their style. Use these tips and you'll be on your way to landing more assignments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and happy pitching.